Yardman in Brooklyn. We outside. Or should I say inside. So we just get some parts from ECS Tunings. You understand? Machine needs some parts, so guess what? We go open up a box and show you what we get. You understand? And we go also show you what it takes to get the job done. You understand? So we are going to check out Omar tomorrow if we get the job done. But first, I'm going to show you what coming at the box first. Yeah? Yes. Alright. So maybe do the unboxing and all. That thing. So guess what now? Machine needs some upper control arm. So we just go do the unboxing. Show you what come. Oh wow. Wow, this is well put together. Two box. Okay. As I say, these parts are from ECS Tunings. Upper control arm for the Audi. So tomorrow we go get them installed and thing. So okay, so 4 control arm. You're supposed to get 4 control arm. We need the 4 of them. Alright, what's in these? Oh wow, so as you guys can see, they sent us new screws, nuts and washers, and bolt. So we have everything brand new. So that's good. So looking good so far. Alright. So okay. Alright. Looking good so far. We have to make certain say we have everything that we need for tomorrow, because we don't want to go there and we don't have everything what we need to get the job done. Okay. Yes. So whenever I drive, I hear this funny sound on the front end. They say whenever you have rims and stuff, because I have on 20-inch rims on the Audi. You see it, not original Audi rims, but 20-inch. So they say whenever you have aftermarket rims, you have to change your front end parts. Pretty much I go at some point. So I have 4 of these then. So far so good. Packaging is fine, I will have to say. You see, they have the see. They send it in a 2 box, so well protected. I mean, these are iron, so not now gonna really do them still, but the packaging thing, I have to say, they did a good job. They really did a good job. So yo, hear me I say now. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow the installation of these parts and thing. So guess what? Catch you guys at the mechanic shop tomorrow. Alright? I'm out. Yardman in Brooklyn said that. Out.
Get on the arm for them.
Yeah, good.
So you know Charlie take out bolt and them hook through.
See that the crack already. Look how easy. That's nice, man.
Man. Charlie take out bolt, so you know, nightmare.
Yeah. And then the worst thing, all the other one in the back, the wear on it, so a headache, you know? You have to take out short.
Pull out 2 volt, fuck. Spin right round and round on the wheel.
Yeah. That's why you crook down so. No. At least you hear already, so disgusting. Control all the call on that stuff. Not bot control. Nice machine still. No problem.